Laravel is a popular open-source web application framework that simplifies the development of robust web applications using the programming language. It follows the model view controller architectural pattern, which helps separate the business logic from the user interface, making code more organized and maintainable. For beginners, Laravel offers an intuitive syntax and a range of built-in features, such as routing, authentication, and session management, which streamline the development process. The framework's powerful eloquent allows for seamless database interactions, while its blade templating engine simplifies the creation of dynamic content. Furthermore, Laravel's robust community and extensive documentation provide ample resources for new developers to learn and troubleshoot. By leveraging these tools and best practices, beginners can quickly build scalable and secure web applications, making Laravel an excellent choice for those starting their journey in web development.